everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, May 25th. It is Memorial Day, so we honor those who have served in defense of our country and all of the people who support those people, because they are just as important, if not more so. So today I wanted to share this really great table runner that was a pattern that was written up by our own Catherine Stradzinski. Catherine works on Wednesdays, so you may have encountered her at some point. She's done a lovely job with this, including a really pretty flanged binding. And we have patterns for this in the shop now, so you can choose to do it kind of scrappy, or you can choose to do it with solids, whatever you like. But it's a really nice table runner that you can bring out several times a year for Memorial Day, for 4th of July, for Veterans Day, any old time that you want. You could leave it out all of July. So that is one thing that we have here. And then I also wanted to highlight our buckle bolts. These are made by a couple, and the wife of the couple is an active duty, I think she's an Army member, but these are really neat, and I'll show you how they work. You can basically roll your yardage onto these to keep them organized. So in this case, this is probably a couple of yards, but you can just fold it up. So if you've got it just the way it comes off a bolt, you just fold once and twice, and then you can wrap it around your buckle bolt. So you just kind of put it on there, wrap her up, and these are made to fit into drawers. So they aren't too tall to go into drawers, and then you have these handy little slides right here at the top and bottom that you can use to lock them in place with your Velcro. So once you get it all together, close it up, put your Velcro on. Whoops, I think I put it on backwards, but you'll do better than me. And then you can have these lined up in a drawer so you can see all your yardage and it doesn't get wrinkly and messy like mine sometimes does. So we do sell these by the single, and then we also sell them in this 5-pack. So if you want to get yourself organized for summer, this will be a great thing to do during those really hot summer months. That's what we have for you today. We appreciate all of our military families, and we do always offer a 10% discount with a military ID. So another great thing to know. And of course, we're open today 10 to 5. So if you are in the neighborhood and looking for something to do, please come and see us. We'll be back here from the shop tomorrow with more fabric and fun for you. Bye.